Let's play Away in the Manger. Now let's check out the playing pattern for this song. The playing pattern for a full bar is gonna be a both left, both right. So right hand, it is a steady beat, right, right, right. And for left hand, we are gonna go 5, 3, 1. So to put it together, it's gonna be a both left, both right. So 2 times continuously, both left, both right, both left, both right. Let's play verse 1 slowly. Go D chord away in a D chord, manger no, G chord, creep for a D chord, bed the A chord, little Lord, A chord again, Jesus lay, G chord, down his sweet, D chord, head the D chord, stars in the D chord, bright sky look, G chord, down where he, D chord, lay the G chord, little Lord, D chord, Jesus A chord, sleep on the D chord and end. Hey. Now let's play verse 1 smoothly. Ready, go. And D, G chord, back to D, go to A again, and G to D, on D, and G, D, G, D, go to A, back home to D. Hey there, loving this tutorial? Then you've got to check out my Christmas song ebook. It's packed with 32 holiday tunes, complete with chords, chord charts, song lyrics, and playing patterns to make your life easy. Download instantly so you can bring it to your parties, jam with your friends, or just add some Christmas vibes to your home. Grab your copy now in the description link below. Now let's play verse 2 slowly. D, character R, D chord, lowing the G chord, baby a D chord, wakes but A chord, little Lord, A chord again, Jesus no, G chord, crying he, D chord, makes I, D chord, love the Lord, D chord, Jesus look, G chord, down from the D chord, sky, sky, and G chord, stay, stay by my D chord, cradle to A chord, morning is back to D chord, 9. Let's play verse 2 smoothly. Ready, go. And D, D, G, D, A, G, back home to D, the line D, G, G from the sky, and G to D, till morning is night. Let's play verse 3 slowly. Go. B, D chord near, Mi Lord, D chord again, Jesus I, G chord now. R, D, 2, D chord. Stay, close, A chord. By me, 4, A chord again. Ever, and G chord. Love me, I, D chord. Pray, bless, D chord. All the dear, D chord. Children in, G chord. Thy tender, D chord. Care, and G chord. Take us to, D chord. Heaven to, A chord. Live with thee, D chord. There. Now let's play verse 3. Smoothly, ready, go. D chord. And D. To G. And D. A. A again. And G. Now we're gonna play the whole song, 3 verses, smoothly, go. D, D, G, D, D, third line, and D, A, back home to D, verse 2, go. D, D, G, D, A, D, still on D, Jesus, look down from the sky, and G, to D, A, back home to D, verse 3, go. D, A again, down to G, back home to D, D, last line G, D, A, D, and on D. Hey there, thanks for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful. I've got more piano techniques, music theory, and tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. If you think this channel is helping you reignite your passion for piano playing, do like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.